Engineers have long dreamed of creating lighter, stronger, and more efficient products through generative design. Today, AI and optimization software can reduce weight, improve performance, and consolidate multiple components into one integrated part. But the challenge has never been design. The challenge has always been manufacturing. Most generative designs are too complex for traditional machining or injection molding, forcing engineers to simplify parts and compromise performance. PLP 3D print changes this. PLP enables direct manufacturing of complex, topology-optimized parts without conventional tooling limitations. More importantly, PLP uses the same industrial-grade pellets already trusted in injection molding production worldwide. This means manufacturers can use proven engineering materials with known properties, existing supply chains, and established certifications, without new material development or extensive requalification. The result is not a mock-up, concept model, or fragile prototype. PLP produces real industrial parts for functional end-use applications. Generative design creates the optimal part. PLP 3D prints it with injection molding grade materials. Same pellets, same performance, unlimited design freedom. Please contact 3D Materials to learn how PLP can turn optimized designs into real production parts.